We're now going to use the rules of logarithms to expand logarithms. So we're going to start with the case of the natural log of 2x plus 1 over x minus 4, and we're going to expand. So when we expand, that means that we don't want any multiplication or division that we can't help inside of the logarithm, and we want as many logarithms as it takes to do that. So we start with this division underneath. That means this turns into a 2x plus 1 and an x minus 4. And since the x minus 4 came from the division, it's going to be a subtraction between them. And this is now fully expanded. Well, we could also expand a more complicated one, because this one doesn't go any farther because neither of these factor any farther, so that's as far as they go. But suppose that we want to expand the log of the square root of 4xy over z. Well, let's break that square root up, so it's 4xy over the square root of z. And then let's separate this into two logs, 4xy minus the log of the square root of z. But we need to go farther in both of these cases because we don't want any powers. We just want single numbers, and we don't want any multiplication going on either. So this is the log of the square root of 4 times the square root of x times the square root of y minus the log of the square root of z. So we get log of the square root of 4 plus log of the square root of x plus log of the square root of y minus log of the square root of z. And I'm going to very carefully look at this one and say, oh, that's just log 2. Square root of 4 is 2. But remember that this is the same as x to the 1/2 plus the log of y to the 1/2 minus the log of z to the 1/2. So I need to move all of these 1/2 powers to the front. So 1/2, well, this one didn't have one, log 2 plus 1/2 log x plus 1/2 log y minus 1/2 log z. And I've now fully expanded this. All of the powers have been moved out of the power line. There's no radicals left over, and there's nothing being multiplied on the inside of each logarithm. So that's how we expand logarithms.